Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to log in RoyalMatch game. If you want to log into your RoyalMatch game on your mobile device, then here is how you can do it. First, make sure that you've downloaded RoyalMatch on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap on it to launch it open. Follow through the on-screen prompts and then you'll end up in this kind of an interface. Now, from the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on Save your progress. There you'll be able to see 3 sign-in options. You can sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Select any one option you'd like to log in with. In my case, I'm gonna choose sign in with Google. Simply tap on it and tap the continue button. In the sign in area, enter your Google account's credential and tap next. On the next field, type in your password for your Google account and tap next again. Go through the 2-step verification if enabled, and when done, you'll be able to log into your RoyalMatch account. You can also sign in using your Facebook option or Apple option. Simply go ahead and select the option and then enter your email address associated with your respective accounts. That is how you should be able to log in to RoyalMatch with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.